Welcome back, friends. Today we have the Air Jordan 3 A Ma Maniere while you were sleeping. My interest wasn't very high initially on this pair, but it's really grown on me. I didn't have a lot of fits that go well with burgundy, but took a chance on these because it was my birthday and Nike had a discount on it, so here we are. The While You Were Sleeping A Ma Maniere collaboration isn't just the Air Jordan 3. There's a full set in the collection of the Air Jordan 4, Air Jordan 39, Air Force 1, Air Max 95, and also a Converse weapon low that you can see here. Of course, we're focused on our review on the Air Jordan 3 A Ma Maniere while you were sleeping. And yeah, it's not the first pair of Air Jordan 3s that A Ma Maniere have collaborated with Jordan Brand. The first Jordan 3 A Ma Maniere was the Tribute to Women, as you can see here on the Complex website. The second one is what we're reviewing today, which is the A Ma Maniere Jordan 3 While You Were Sleeping. And then finally, the newest one from 2025 is the Jordan 3 A Ma Maniere For the Love in diffuse blue. I actually have a pair of those sitting at my house in the US, so just gotta make my way down there to pick them up, and we'll have a review of those coming up shortly. Back on topic, let's get to the unboxing. A little unfortunate that got some damage in shipping from Nike. I ordered these straight from Nike.ca and a little bit damaged. Official colors on this is black, flat pewter. So this one's men's size 13, but this is a woman's release. So the equivalent size is woman's 14.5. Look at the presentation of this box. Doesn't that look cool? You got this microfiber cloth here in burgundy. Looks this is like one of the best packaging you can see. Here's some extra laces. Put them aside for now. All right, let's pull these guys out. There it is. The While You Were Sleeping. Pull the other one out here. Like, look at all that suede. And yeah, you guys see my other videos, how much I talk about how much more I like suede over elephant print. That's one of the big reasons why I actually went for these. If these had elephant print, I don't think I would have gone for them in this colorway. But because it's suede, it was really hard to stay, especially with the birthday discount that Nike gives for your birthday. Put this guy away. What a great box presentation. Look at that, the way it opens and everything. Really cool. Not a lot of shoes like that. So there you have it. That's the While You're Sleeping Jordan 3. A lot of different colors on here, mostly dark colors. You have that sail also. It's quite a more sail than the other ones, the other sail. And then you have that kind of a burgundy-ish gray suede. Pretty hairy suede on the bottom near the midsole, but up there it's more of a short nubucky kind of suede up there. So that suede wraps all the way around. Nike Air heel tab, very simple. Yep. The outsole is just sail in the different burgundy colors that's on the shoe. Yeah, like you take a look how thick that, look at that suede. It's this whole suede tongue. Feels really good. Short hair, that's the A Ma Maniere. Look how thick that logo is. The way it's very, very heavy stitching on that logo. Let's see if I can zoom in. You can see the A Ma Maniere logo on the back of the tongue as well. It's everywhere. There it is. Yeah. Looks pretty cool. And of course the inside, the sock lining, the quilted sock lining. Very interesting because it obviously makes things a little bit more slipperier. So if you don't get the right sizes a little loose, you're going to get some heel slip on these. So yeah, comes with the black laces here. So let me untie these guys. And I'm going to see if you guys can see this. It might take me a little while here. But at the end of the laces, and it's on the accessory, the extra laces as well. Let's see if I can get this closer. No, it doesn't seem to focus. Hold on one second here. Let's see if I can get this sucker to focus. There you go. It says work harder on the laces. So yeah, that appears on all three of the laces that it comes with. Just a lot of hidden messages. The insoles. Let me take this here. see the insole here. Again, yeah, it's really hard to see here, but a lot of A Ma Maniere logo on the insole. You know, I'll just pull this out, and maybe that will be easier to capture because the focus is not very happy on this dark pair of shoes here. So there you go. There you go. The A Ma Maniere logo, and yeah, just your basic polyurethane insole. Nothing really special. What is special is underneath is. Oh, let me turn this upside down. That probably makes a little more sense here. You can see while you are sleeping, hiding underneath the insole, where the bottom of the shoe sits. A lot of hidden messages all around the shoe. There's one more in the heel tab. I'll get right to that. But yeah, like this is just, yeah, you see the outsole colors is basically the same as the upper. A lot of people pass on the shoe just because it's a lot like the black cement, so they didn't want the same pair. Same colorway, released so close to each other. And my camera is just not focusing over here. Let me see if I can find the other hidden message. See up close, it says do something about it. Yeah, this focused okay, but I'll try to get a better picture near the end of the video for you guys. Doesn't really look yeah, really hard to see here. I'm just gonna check the other shoe here. Yeah, you can see on the other shoe here, you got the work harder on the end of the laces, the aglets. Let's check the hidden message on here. Yeah, it's on here as well. Yeah, do something about it. So, yeah, lots of just fine little details. Ooh, that suede feels good here. I just love that suede. Way better than elephant print. So, looks good. So, let's see if the there you go. Secret message there is the exact same one. While you were sleeping. Again, didn't focus very well here. Focus is just not happening today on this pair, so we'll have to do a little bit better job in the photos at the end there. So yeah, all in all, a great looking shoe. Like I said, the burgundy doesn't really, not a lot of fits for me that work. I like wearing either really dark or light colors, but you know, all the suede and everything has just convinced me. The hairy suede on the over there is, yeah, kind of matches the outsole color. Yeah, but again, that suede has really convinced me. A little bit of mark on this one. Yeah, really starting to grow on me, this shoe. Slowly finding fits that work, but once I have them on feet, you'll see that oh, there you go, finally focused back. Just little crazy camera work. All right, let's do some comparisons. Yeah, before we start, one thing I totally forgot are the extra laces that it comes with. You have the sail and the pewter colorway there. Just pop these guys out real quick here. Sail just matches the bottom, the midsole there, but you can see the pewter kind of matches that burgundy-ish color pretty well. I guess it's just that's the actual pewter color, I guess. You know, I've filled these guys in, and the sail obviously just matches the midsole there. Just an exact match over there. I really think that it would pop a lot better with the alternate sail laces, and yeah, so I think I'm gonna put them on. I think on the official A Ma Maniere website they use the sail laces as well. But yeah, here's the black cement. The reason why a lot of people skipped on the A Ma Maniere while you were sleeping Jordan 3s. If you look at it closely, just get these laces out of the way. It's a very similar looking shoe, but not really. It's got a really sail aged outsole, while the black cement 3 for the 2024 release there had white outsole. So that's your biggest difference. But and then obviously the elephant print, but the suede color really matches as well. So that's why a lot of people just thought that they were like really similar looking shoes. You know, yeah, the lace holes colors are a little bit you know, more, there's more red hits, but again, and then that's obviously not suede up there, while this is suede or nubuck, really short suede or nubuck. Can't really tell the difference for me. Yeah, just a lot more premium on the while you were sleeping. But yeah, why a lot of people skipped. This is a rare air that I just picked up. You guys saw the review for this. That was our debut video. Again, very similar in terms of materials between these guys. the suede hits where they're using suede is roughly in the same spots. And you can see the laces. I switched to the alternate white laces. They pop so much better. So I think that's the right decision to go. I think the A Ma Maniere 3 here would look better with the sail laces. So we're definitely going to try those on. And of course the Nike Air swoosh. I love that reverse swoosh on that Rare Air. Pretty cool stuff. All right, and then the final comparison. I always love this shoe, the Kai 54 Jordan 3. And yeah, this one is actually more similar, except more of a white colorway. So this is almost a mix of the Raised by Woman as well as the While You Were Sleeping Jordan 3 A Ma Maniere. So it's just almost a combination of the two. You got that fine suede and nubuck all around the shoe. It's a little bit shorter suede on the Kai 54 versus the While You Were Sleeping here. This is a very hairy suede, so a lot of different feeling there. Really don't want to get those wet. So it's probably not great for wearing in the rain, which is not a big deal. But I do want to highlight that, yeah, even this one here, a lot of people suffer with heel slip because it's got a nice, more luxurious, it's not quilted, but it's more luxurious kind of slippery material compared to the quilted. So again, make sure you get the correct sizing on these, otherwise you're gonna not be happy with a heel slip, especially if you loose lace them. So all right, let's go with these bad boys, and let's get these laced up with the sail laces. Yeah, looking at these, like, look, sitting them on there, they definitely pop way more. So I think these are the ones. Whoops, clumsy me, just dropped them. Good thing I have the second pair here. Yeah, I honestly think that they just pop a lot nicer with that lace. So let's get going. Let's get them laced up. All right, there they are, side by side. The sail laces versus the black laces. Yeah, the black laces. And yeah, that's just like how I did the Rare Air 3s. That sail really just pops them out. And it's always iffy on the black cement 3s. I kept them black for now. But yeah, the white and black here on the Kai 54. Great contrast. So that's what makes it. That black just basically just blends in there and doesn't look great. So yeah, really like the choice of laces here. Let's get them on feet. Thanks again, everyone, for watching our review. If you've come this far, yeah, these look great on feet over here. And here's some close-up photos of the A Ma Maniere Jordan 3 While You Were Sleeping. Oh, that suede. Yeah, these laces, that is definitely the way to go. This photo is actually a pretty good look at how thick those the Jumpman and the A Ma Maniere logo is. And everyone always makes fun of this one, but you can see Jordan's got a bigger butt, thicker butt here in the way that the logo works on all the A Ma Maniere, and that's consistent across the A Ma Maniere ones. Look at that quilting. That just looks so good, that quilting there. There's the A Ma Maniere logo on the insole. And of course, there you go. There's the better picture. Do something about it. You can actually see it here. And then a little bit better picture of the laces. I wasn't sure if I got them in the video. And of course, finally, the While You Were Sleeping under the insole there, the hidden messages. Lots of really great details. Great pair of shoes. Hope you enjoy your review. We'll see you guys next time.